First order logic interactive theorem prover, or as I would love to call it, concepts of mathematics homework solver. So what is meant to do is that it proves logical statements without using truth tables. Instead, it uses sequence calculus, which is more efficient and powerful tool than actually dressing up a whole truth table. That would take centuries if you have like a longer proof. And so the kind of logical statement that it would prove is, for example, if Socrates is a human and humans die, then Socrates also dies. And what it does is that there's a couple of inference rules that range from or and imply. And so using them, it will give you proof of the statement that you are trying to prove. I think an example would be more clear. And so we will try to prove that if CMU student implies CMU and CMU implies death, then CMU student also implies death. Alright, so here we have a couple of buttons, and what it does is that it's an interactive theorem prover, so most of it would be clicking, the kind of point and click kind of proof. So here, for example, if I click here, I'm applying the imply rule on the right side, and so I can keep doing that until I, at one point, will reach an axiom. Here, for example, we have death on both sides. This is an axiom, so we get rid of that goal. And it also keeps going for CMU student and finally for CMU. And once we reach the final proof, like the final axiom, then we know that the proof is done. If we don't reach that axiom and we tried clicking on everything, then probably the statement that we put first is wrong. And that is basically my first order logic interactive theorem prover. If you have any questions, please do ask, and I hope it can help solve some homework for concepts of mathematics in the future.